back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are all doing so well. It's so good to see you guys. I hope you guys are all doing good in 2019. I hope everybody's new year is going well and easy for them. Mine has been pretty chill, you know, little bumps, but we're doing okay. We're doing okay. Back again with another makeup look for you guys today. Really excited about this look. I wanted to do something different. I want to start using more yellow, and I found a way to really make sure that my yellow pops. So I'll do a YouTube like tutorial video talking about how I make my yellow eyeshadow like really pop and stem through, because I notice a lot of girls and a lot of makeup artists that I meet on a regular basis have a lot of trouble with yellows, and I was having a lot of trouble with yellows. So now that I got it down, we're gonna watch this tutorial today and you guys are gonna love it. I really hope you guys enjoy it because I love today's look. I did something different with my scarf and made it a different type of head wrap. I've seen this like style around on Instagram a few times, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So I did it, and you guys, as you guys know, I did make this wig, and yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy today's tutorial. It's gonna be, you know, just the usual. We're gonna just, you know, keep it pushing, keep growing and going. We're gonna do a YouTube tutorial soon on how I apply lashes as well, especially like long lashes. I'll be ordering some lashes from Make Me Glow Lashes. I'm so excited to be ordering some new stuff from her. So once I get my new lashes in, we will definitely be reviewing those and trying them on and out, and I'll show you guys how I measure my lashes to fit my eye shape and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let me stop talking and let's just jump right in the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. If you're new to my channel and you're watching today's video, thank you for tuning in. Hello, thank you for the new view. How are you doing? We would love to keep you here. We would love to have you stay. And yeah, so another look will be coming up shortly. Modeling video is coming soon. I've been working really hard on this modeling video because it has to do with like DFW, so I have like a lot of content I'm just trying to edit and figure out. But yeah, once I get it up there, I think you guys will really enjoy this. So yeah, make sure you guys leave comments, suggestions in the comment section if you guys want to see something different from me as far as a makeup look. And everything that I use in today's tutorial will be in the description box below, as well as it'll be in the video, I'm sure as you've already seen. So make sure you guys again like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. And if you're new to my channel, hello, how are you doing? Make sure you subscribe, and I love you all. Until next time, love bugs. Ciao.